You start with an idea, a thought, a notion, and that idea grows and evolves. And you think, I should make a video. The best way to get this idea across is with a video. And you get excited. And you think, can I really do it? Then there's the roadblock. It's too hard or too expensive. And you think, why can't I just do this myself? Now you can. Change the way you think about video by changing the way you make video. Introducing Media 100, a product that will change the way you work by putting incredible video post-production power at your fingertips. Media 100 is hardware and software that transforms your Macintosh into an online, non-linear video production system. Media 100 lets you make finished quality video programs without videotape. Unlike other systems, Media 100 was conceived from the beginning as an online system. It's made for finished quality editing, not as an offline or rough cut edit system. But when we say high quality, what do we mean? The images on the left were edited together using conventional DeX and Betacam SP tape. The images on the right were edited on Media 100, then recorded back to Betacam SP. Media 100 is digital, and Betacam SP tape is analog, so it's difficult to compare the two on a technical basis alone. So make up your own mind. How do you think they compare? We think the quality of Media 100 stacks up pretty well. And with Media 100, there are no artifacts, jaggies, dropouts, or generation losses normally associated with tape editing. So how does it work? Making audio and video go in and out of a computer requires tremendous computer power. With Media 100, two computer boards with several high-powered 32-bit processors provide unparalleled computing power. Other systems use off-the-shelf boards that simply don't have the processing power necessary to produce high-quality pictures. These systems degrade your pictures, actually take out picture information so they can play at 30 frames per second. A computer within the computer gives Media 100 the horsepower to produce 30 frames and 60 fields per second of full-frame video and 4 tracks of CD-quality audio. And because of a patented hardware system, the audio always stays in sync with the video. But that's not the best part. The best part is using Media 100, because nonlinear editing makes video fun. Media 100's design is elegant and simple. Just 3 standard Mac windows control all of the system's functions. The Edit Suite window is where you digitize your source video, modify transitions and effects, and trim clips. The Program window has your timeline and program tracks for video and audio. It's also where you create, edit, and play programs. It's like the record machine in a traditional Edit Suite. The Bin window is where you store and manage your source clips. So what's the second monitor for? It's so you can continually see a full-screen NTSC video image of your program. You don't have to change modes or compile your program so you can see what it will finally look like on tape. To make an edit, you just click on a few clips of video in the Bin window and drag them into the Program window, just like that. So where do you start? You start by digitizing your footage. Your video deck plugs directly into the back of the Mac. The Digitize mode of the Edit Suite window lets you capture full-motion video, audio, and timecode. And an information panel tells you how much disk space you've used and how much is left. To help you monitor levels, there are built-in audio and video meters. It all looks very simple. That's because for you it is. Media 100 is doing the hard part. Digitizing high-quality video requires amazing computer power and lots of disk space. Media 100 automatically changes how each frame of video is stored in the Mac to maximize picture quality and minimize disk usage, so you get the best pictures in the least amount of disk space. And you can change compression and picture quality settings as you digitize. You can even have different picture quality levels within the same program. You have total control. No technicians, no funky wiring. So, you've got your video and audio in the computer. How do you work with it? Easy. Pieces of video and audio that have been digitized into Media 100 are called clips, and they're collected in a bin window. You can have as many bin windows as you want to help with organizing. Each clip has a sample picture from the segment of video. This lets you work with pictures instead of words and numbers. To look at a clip, just move it into the Edit Suite window and play it. You can instantly move to any part of your shot. You don't have to waste time shuttling back and forth on videotapes. You make your edits in the Program window, and they happen incredibly quickly and easily. To adjust the order of your program, just rearrange the clips. You can take a clip out of the middle and have the rest of the program adjust accordingly. That's nonlinear editing. To more precisely edit a segment or to add an effect, the video track of the timeline expands to show an A video track, an effects track, and a B video track. The arrows show the exact place where edits occur. Now let's work with an interview clip. Media 100's audio scan feature lets you move forward and back across a clip and hear when the audio starts and stops. This helps you to precisely find editing in and out points. Now I'll take the interview clip and drag it into the program window and watch how fast I can add a cutaway. Now let's look at it.
The ability to see detail, individual eyelashes. I saw a close-up of an eye. You can see the individual lashes. You can see the skin texture. And this was on an NTSC monitor.
Instead of a cut, we can easily add a dissolve from the interview clip to the cutaway. This indicator lets you set the duration of the dissolve. When I push Render, Media 100 calculates the frames of the dissolve. Media 100's titling tool lets you create titles using any Macintosh PostScript or TrueType font. They can be any size and in any color, with variable drop shadows and transparency. Graphics or titles made with other Macintosh software such as Adobe Photoshop can also be keyed over live video. Keys can be created with alpha channel or chroma information. Animations from programs like Director, Electric Image, or Kosa After Effects can be integrated into Media 100 videos. So, here's our lower third title and the dissolve. Media 100's FX option lets you integrate over 50 special effects, including wipes and DVE moves, into your program. Now you can get really exotic and have full resolution effects in your high-quality video. When you're done editing, all you have to do is select Master Mode, and your program gets displayed, broadcast, or sent to videotape. So, what makes Media 100 so special? Over 3 years in development, Media 100 is carefully crafted to work exactly the way you need it to work. Hundreds of little features have been incorporated to make your life easier. For example, you can have a third monitor just for bin windows. Each clip has an indicator which shows how many audio tracks are in use or whether the clip is video or an effect. There's also a special place to put comments. Clips can be color-coded and sorted to help you organize your shots. There are customizable menus so you can set up the machine for your unique way of working. For multimedia producers, Media 100 imports and exports QuickTime movies, PICT, and PIX images. Media 100 has variable levels of compression, so you can digitize and edit lots of material with lower picture quality, then re-digitize and re-edit only your final material with the highest picture quality. This helps you to get the most out of your disk space. Media 100 uses standard Mac disk drives and monitors, so you can economically configure the system the way you want. With the EDL option, you can even output edit decision lists that are compatible with CMX, Grass Valley, and Sony edit controllers. And Media 100 can edit in NTSC for the US and Japan, and in PAL for distribution in Europe. Media 100 gives you all the tools you need to make great videos.
It's an exciting product. It's a solution that people have been looking for.
But for people who use the Macintosh and who are accustomed, say in a word processing program, for clicking and dragging, cutting and pasting to build a document, the Media 100 allows you to do this with picture and sound.
But this allows you the nonlinear access that can speed up the creative process incredibly.
The Media 100 plays back both fields. You can't have professional pictures if you don't play back both fields.
The digitized image quality coming off the Media 100 system rivals or surpasses anything I've seen to date on any of the other nonlinear systems that are currently out there on the marketplace.
Media 100. It makes your ideas come to life. For a hands-on product demonstration, call the Multimedia Group at 508-460-1600.